Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. I will be covering the website, the front page, the Google Business Profile, backlinks, and I hope that you actually enjoy this video. Please don't forget to give me some feedback at the end of it. So I'm going to start with the layout of your front page. I can see that you have the links to your social media accounts, the click to call button at the top. Probably you can make it a little bit bigger. And then you also have the email address. These videos are really good at engaging people because that's another metric that Google looks at is just the amount of time that people spend on your website. So videos are a really good mechanism to achieve that. And you have a lot of content. You actually have a blog, and I saw here that you have the badges of your partners and the directory of your website. I also noticed that you have specific location pages, not only for the counties, but also for the suburbs and the cities. So that's really good because you are targeting the traffic at the suburb level rather than at the metro level. So that's actually really helping you attract a lot of traffic. In terms of the amount of content that you have, so right now you have around 536 words. And if I look at one of your competitors in the Fort Lauderdale area, these guys have around 1,141 words. So potentially an opportunity of improvement there is just to add a little bit more content and push through more relevant keywords so that you can rank up higher for specific keywords in that location area. So just let me show you what I mean by that. I came here to the Google search engine and I type in the Google search bar plumbers for Lauderdale. And Google is going to show us three sections. So the first one is the Google Ads and the Google Guaranteed section. So these sections are really good at driving traffic and attracting leads. Then you have the Google Map Pack or the Google Business Profile. And this section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimized and geotagged pictures. You need reviews, and Google likes to see that you're actually interacting with your customers. And you need to be listed on directories. That's what we call citations. And the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those of your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details and you can rank in one of these top 3 positions. So when I had a look at the Google Business Profile, that one is showing up for Fort Lauderdale, but I did perform, so for West Park, you are ranking at the top, and actually you are running ads for the Google Map Packs. But then I performed the search at the county levels of Plumbers, Broward, and I couldn't find you. So that's something that you can look into. Is just optimizing the Google Business Profile by adding a complete description, adding more pictures. These pictures need to be optimized, as I told you. And you could actually have these reviews. And then there's something down here. See how this one has the social media accounts. So you also want to improve your online presence by having more social media accounts and posting on regularly and consistently in those social media accounts, because then Google is going to pick up on those, and then that is going to help you actually boost your Google business listing. Now, when I come back to the Google organic search, and here is where I found your competitors. So for Lauderdale, you need something that we call backlinks. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool is showing me that your website has 614 external websites directing traffic towards your website through 2,160 backlinks. And if I have a look at your competitors, so for Lauderdale Plumber, these guys have 283 backlinks in 59 external websites. And what a backlink is simply a link that is directing traffic or that is linking back to your website. And it's not only about having more backlinks, but having backlinks that are sitting on websites that are relevant to your services and to your niche, right? Now, in terms of organic keywords, your website is being found for 1,600 organic keywords. So I had a look at those keywords, and here in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google organic search. I filter here just for you cannot see it, but it's Sweetwater, Coral Gables, and Sunrise Homestead, Miami Beach, and Fort Lauderdale. And the reason for that is because I perform a keyword search, and I was looking at some of those keywords for associated to specific locations. So I found, for example, Sunrise Plumbing has a search volume of 700. Coral Gables Plumbing has a search volume of 600. Sweetwater Plumbing has a search volume of 400. So I actually wanted to see how were you performing against those particular keywords. And I found, for example, that Coral Gables Plumbing has a search volume of 600, but you are ranking in the 10th position. And because of that, you were only able to drive 6 visits to your website. If I have a look at Plumbers for Lauderdale, a similar story, has a search volume of 600. You're in the 10th position, and you were able to drive 15 visits to your website. When I have a look at Fort Lauderdale Plumber, these guys are being found for 122 organic keywords. And when I filter, well, I didn't filter because this is for Fort Lauderdale, they are ranking in the top positions for some of those keywords. And just by looking at Plumbers for Lauderdale, which has a search volume of 600, they're in the second position. Because of that, they were able to drive 87 visits to their website. So basically what I want to tell you here is that you actually want to have a look at that backlink profile and those keywords that you are targeting in each specific location page, just to make sure that you are not only targeting more keywords, but that you are targeting the keywords with the highest search volume, and that you can start ranking at the top for those specific keywords at each of the locations, because that's definitely gonna boost even more the traffic to your website. And also focus on your Google business profile by looking at the citations, reviewing your social media online presence, and yeah, uploading optimized pictures and interacting with your customers. And yeah, I hope that you actually like this video and that you can actually use this information to boost the traffic to your website. Please don't forget to give me some feedback. My name is Viviana Olaya, and my contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.